So in today's video, I will show you how to receive money from someone on Binance. So in this method, you will learn how to receive crypto like USDT, BTC, Ethereum, and etc. So first of all, open your Binance app or website and go to your wallet, okay? And here you can select this option, add funds, and here you can touch this option, receive via pay, okay? And now all you need to do is copy your Binance ID here on the up left corner. So touch here and your Binance ID will be copied. Now what you need to do is send this ID to the person who will send the money for you, and this is what he will do. So he will click here on send, and now he will select ID, and here he will paste the Binance ID. Okay, so after this he will click continue and select the quantity he wants to send. After this, all he needs to do is confirm on his authenticator. You can also receive via P2P and create a P2P ad, okay? So that's how you can receive money on Binance. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.